Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is dhokla. Now I'm sure all of you would have tried the usual dhokla, but today I'm going to show you how to make dhokla with green gram. So how many of you have actually tried that? I'm sure not many. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the green gram dhokla, I have soaked 1 cup of green gram overnight. You can see they've nicely plumped up. Remove the water and I'm going to grind this in a mixer grinder. 3 medium sized green chilies cut up, 1-inch piece of ginger cut up, the juice of 1 lemon, salt for seasoning, a little oil, pour a little water and grind everything to a nice fine batter. Now you can see the batter is ready and it's been ground to a very nice smooth consistency. Next I'm going to get the steamer ready. Pour enough water into the steamer. I'm going to place a stand inside the steamer. So here I'm using a cake tin that fits into the steamer. If you don't have a cake tin, you can just use any other tin that fits into your steamer. Now I'm going to pour a little oil, grease the tin completely on all sides. Next I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of Eno fruit salt and quickly give it a quick mix. Quickly pour the batter into the tin. Close and steam cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm just checking on the dhokla. The dhokla is done. Turn off the stove. Remove the tin from the steamer. Let it cool. I'm going to make a little sweet and tangy syrup for the dhokla. For this, take a little water in a saucepan. To this, add a little salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar. Once the water comes to a boil and all the sugar is dissolved, turn off the stove. Add the juice of 1 small lemon. You can taste it and see if all the flavors are perfect, and if you need to add a little salt or balance it with a little sugar, you can do that at this point. Now I'm going to pour the syrup onto the dhokla. For the tadka, take about 1.5 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Turn off the stove. Add 4 green chilies and add a few curry leaves. Pour the tempered ingredients onto the dhokla. So now we've seen how to make green gram dhokla. Now this is actually a healthy option to the usual dhokla that we all eat. Now I've also made other recipes with green gram. You can check out those recipes as well. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.